Hello, lady trans lovies. I'm your girl for lady. If you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So, Ladies House group on Facebook cancels Ukhozi FM DJ radio DJ Tshatha Ugodo. Tshatha Ugodo ukhanselwe i-Ladies House after eposte isithombe nomunye wesifazane ababukeke ngathi bayathandana nabo, and umumbuka kahle ethombeni edlula ke bayiposta uyavela lona wesifazane bese Moses Mabhida esontweni lakhe uTshatha Ugodo ofakazi baka Jehova. So here's the look. So Ladies House ithi no Tshatha Ugodo asikwazi kuphela ngaphandle kwakho, if uthola umuntu so tonight si right ngawe asisakufuni. So yeah guys, that's it, and Ladies House iyamkhansela Tshatha Ugodo. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out till next time.
To talk about forever, talk about the weather, to know any better. I just want to laugh until I